Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and this time I'll be showing you how to reset the phone's camera settings. So this is very useful if you have been playing about with the camera settings and you've made some adjustments that you're not happy with and you've mistakenly applied them, and now you're trying to remove those settings and set them back to the default settings. But you can't seem to find the option. The best thing to do would be to just reset the camera settings back to the original default settings. So yeah, this is what the purpose of the video is for. It's to show you how to reset the camera and put everything back to the default settings, just like the first day you got the phone. So it's real simple to do. Just open up the camera, go into the settings and scroll down all the way to where it says reset settings, and then it will say reset camera settings. Just go ahead and select reset, and now all the camera settings will be back to their default settings, just like the first day you got the phone and took it out of the box. Anyway, that's it for the video. I hope it helped you out. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. If it's the first time you're watching my videos on YouTube, please do hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified the second I upload my newest video. I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.